Welcome to How to Solve.
In today's video, I will teach you how to post an Instagram story from your computer or laptop. So the first thing we need to do is to go into our Instagram. So this solution involves deceiving Instagram that you are not using a laptop or a computer, but instead you are using your phone. So to do that, right-click on your mouse and choose Inspect. Now this will pop up and then you will see this toggle device emulation. Now once you have enabled this, which means it will turn blue. So technically you are using your phone now and not your laptop. So when you click on these dimensions, there will be different types of phone and you can choose the phone that you want. And in my case, I will choose iPhone XR. So right now, we're technically using an iPhone XR and not a laptop. So how do we add an Instagram story from here? So click this plus icon where you can simply add an Instagram story, just like on your phone. And you can simply select a video or a photo that you want to add into your Instagram story. So when you have chosen your photo, it will be just like choosing an Instagram story from your phone. You can also choose a filter, and let's try this. And once you have already done that, you can just simply untoggle the toggle device emulation. So once you're back here, you can just click next and upload your Instagram post or your Instagram story.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.